Good evening. Tonight, I would like to talk to you on speech number 3, the importance of nonprofit organizations. Why are nonprofits so important? Nonprofits are very important for those who are in the military because they help us with sending over care packages, giving us morale, and they let us know that there's someone back home that really appreciates what we do. So this evening, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about one of the nonprofits that's been around for many, many years now, since we've gone into the different wars with Iraq and Afghanistan. They've helped out many, many troops, soldiers, sailors, airmen all across the world. So this evening, for the nonprofits, I'd like to go into what's called Operation Troop Appreciation. Operation Troop Appreciation has been helping out military families, military members all over the world for many, many years. They're a nonprofit organization that started in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and they're an official 501c3 organization. What that means, it's an all-volunteer basis. No one gets paid. So within Operation Troop Appreciation, they get requests daily from service members all over the world, not just ones that are fighting overseas, but those that are stationed in Kosovo, some that are stationed in the high seas with the Navy. They can be anywhere in the world, and Operation Troop Appreciation helps them. All they have to do is just send a request, and being a 501c, it helps out those who want to donate to the organization because it helps them with the taxes. Being 501c, you can go ahead and claim this on your taxes, so you can help out the organization, you can help out the military members all over the world, and you can help out yourself. And you can do something about it by donating to nonprofit organizations and volunteering some of your time and services. So going into that, a little bit about the organization. As I said, it's been around for many, many years. 1st of July 2004 is when they sent their first care package overseas to a group that was stationed in northern Iraq, just by one person. But since July of 2004, and as of today, in December of 2014, 10 years later, they've helped out over 150,000 military members all over the world. And also, here listed within that 150,000, they've also started to kind of change things up a little bit. They're pulling back a little bit from the organization of sending over care packages to those who are deployed because the troops are now coming home due to the drawback. So now, within this organization, they're starting to kind of move to a different level and starting to help out the homeless. So you can help out those who are deployed, you can help out those who have been deployed and now have fallen on hard times back here in the United States. So over 150,000 have been helped out since 2004, but now we're able to help out those who have returned and have fallen on hard times. So you must remember that, something that you should take with you and reasons to support the nonprofits. So they're an all-volunteer staff. All volunteers. No one gets any money whatsoever. How in the world do they get paid? It's very simple. With the nonprofit organizations, they don't receive any money. Their payments are from the cards and letters that they receive from the troops that receive their care packages. It's these cards and letters that we receive within the organization that makes it all possible. This is our payment for helping out. And that's all we need to know. Helping out the troops, soldiers, sailors, Marines, just getting a card saying thank you, that's more than enough payment for us. And that here, the card, is our money. So you're saying, if you're going to go ahead and give some money to the organization, just how much of that money is going to go to those traveling overseas? Who are those deployed? Well, let me advise you that with your dollar, 98% of your dollar goes to the troops. So as you see in this pie graph, only 2% goes to the cost of the expenses that the operation has. The other 98% all goes to the troops that are overseas. Sailors, Marines, airmen, they receive all of that money. So you can see your dollar is going a long, long way to helping out those deployed. And why do we do that? Why do we help out those who are deployed? Well, that dollar equals 100% in making the morale higher for those who are in theater. Because everybody knows that a soldier, sailor, Marine that is ready to go, they're motivated, they've got the high morale, they want to go ahead and they want to go on those missions. If you love your job, you'll go ahead and do a much better job. And now, with everything going on, we had Thanksgiving, Christmas is coming up, you're getting care packages, it's like Christmas presents at this point in time. So what are we doing? We're making things better for the holidays. And with the holidays, we want them to also have a very, very Merry Christmas. So that's why I say, give more to the nonprofit organizations. 98% of that dollar that you send goes to the troops for this Christmas. And for me personally, I miss Christmas. And it was so much better when I received care packages from back home. So thank you, everyone. Merry Christmas to all the troops overseas, and safe returns. Thank you.